going on, everybody? Welcome back to the 710 Performance YouTube channel. On this video, we're painting our YouTube studio. We changed our living room into a YouTube studio and Twitch studio for streaming that we're going to do both on this channel as well as on our Twitch channel, so make sure you check that out. There's going to be a link in the description. We're doing the room gray, and then we're going to have one accent wall that is green for the green screen. So let's go ahead and jump in and get started. Yesterday, we did the first coat on the cut-in. Today, we're going to go ahead and do the second coat. We had things that tied us up yesterday, so we're going to do the second cut-in coat. Then we're going to roll it, let it dry, and then probably roll it again. It'll probably need 2 coats. Let's go ahead and get to this. So now that we've got everything cut in with the second coat, we're going to go ahead and roll it, let the first coat dry, and then roll it again. It is now time to roll the second coat. So now that we got the green done, Jeremy and Xander are going to go ahead and knock out the gray. Let's go ahead and check that out. Well, there you have it. We now have changed our living room into a YouTube and Twitch streaming studio. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, smash up the like button for the YouTube algorithm and share it with somebody who you think might get value. Catch you in the next video. Peace.